Hey, I'm Louise Phillips Forbes, and I'm super excited to be sharing with you my new exclusive located at 755 West End Avenue. And believe me, you are on top of the world with panoramic views of our great New York City. This is the Penthouse, and let's check it out. Rarely is one able to purchase a jewel box that is so lovingly curated. With our 1,250 square feet today, there is a landmark DOB additional 600 square feet to give you another bedroom, another bathroom, and expanding some of the rooms that already exist. What makes this so incredible is that this particular owner, an architect, has created and curated brick by brick a one-of-a-kind home. You have this very interesting sweeping staircase, which will take you to a bit of a greenhouse, which is where her son was raised. And now it's a place to have guests stay or just a cocktail and watch that sunset. Having the tender loving care of this particular owner, who happens to be the architect, she elevated the floors to maximize the views. She replaced the parapet, opening up the bricks so that the river is so prevalent. And these bay windows give you 3 sides of light. Rosario Candela moved to New York City in 1909. And he is the masterful architect of 740 Park, 965th, 834 5th. And the finest example of his work and his craftsmanship is 755 West End Avenue, and the Penthouse is the crown jewel. I'm Louise Phillips Forbes, and I cannot wait to share this with you.